Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a really nice pattern for you. As you can see here in front side, this is the really nice shape. And if you look at the back side also are really nice and looks like another pattern. It's up to you if you want to use it for example a scarf or baby blanket or whatever. You're going to have different pattern in front side and back side. Let's do it together. For the pattern you need to have the even stitches like 8, 10, 12, 14. What we have to do, if you want to use any kind of edge or a start, but for also you can start without any edge. What you have to do, you are going to take the first one, then for the next 2 stitch, what you have to do, you are going to insert the hook in these 2 stitches, grab the yarn, or maybe it's better before that do the yarn over, insert the hook in these 2 stitches, grab the yarn over, and based on the size of for example yarn you have, you can do this in 6 times or 5. Now I have 2 here, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Let me check. In my case I have now 10 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are going to do it again, this pattern for this one. I'm going to start by yarn over, insert my hook and grab the yarn 6 times. Now I have again 10 loops here. Repeat by the next 2. Like that. Let's do the last 2 stitches. As I told you, you can do it 5 or 6 times. Then we are going to knit the last stitches. Because the height of this pattern is high, you have to, maybe you can, after you knit the last stitch, try to knit it again to have this stitch the same height as the other. Now we are in row 2 and this pattern is going to be repeat in 2 rows. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one. When it comes to that loops, we are going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the hook in the 5th one and try to take all 5 loops together and then knit all 5 like that. As you can see here, you have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time you are going to insert the hook is a normal knitting to the 5 stitches and knit all together like that. Let's do it again. I have 10 loops. What I have to do, I'm going to insert my needle to the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I insert my needle here this way, then I knit like that for the 5 stitches like that. Insert the needle exactly like this and knit. Repeat. And I didn't take 5. Now I have 5 left. I'm going to knit. Let's do the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert here. Grab the yarn. Then for the last 5 stitch, now it's time to knit that one. And as I told you, if you want to have it the same height of this one, you are going to knit it again. As you can see, the first pattern appeared. This is the back side of the work and this is the front side. Both sides are really nice. Now let's repeat again like row 1. When it comes here, it's time to make another 10 loops by yarn over, insert the hook and grab the yarn. Like that. Then repeat again. But you can decide if you want a smaller or bigger size. You can grab the yarn more or less. You decide because it really depends on the size of the yarn. Let me do the last one. When it comes to that part, again I'm going to first knit, then again insert my needle and knit one more time to have a really nice edge in both sides. As you can see, the pattern is up here. Then again, like row 2, you are going to repeat by take the first 5 loops and then knit all 5 together this way, and the last 5 like that. Again, That's all. Is this pattern is going to be repeat of these 2 rows. If you keep continue and repeat these 2 rows, you are going to have a pattern like this. After few rows, you're going to, as you can see, as I told you, both sides are nice and beautiful. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.